Students, we are going to discuss the next method of correlation coefficient, that is Spearman's rank correlation. This is for qualitative data. Whenever any kind of results are to be observed or any fashion shows are to be observed, the ranks are being given, and whenever the ranks are given, the correlation coefficient that is to be found out by way of Spearman's rank correlation. The formula to find out rank correlation coefficient is R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. If the observations are repeated, then the same formula will be there, but just only one more addition will be there. That is R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus CF that is correction factors upon n into n square minus 1. Now, how to prepare the calculations? Rx, that is rank of x, the elements of x. Whenever the values of x are given, it will be ranked, and that is called as Rx. Rank of y, D means difference of ranks, that is Rx minus Ry. N is equal to number of observation, Cf that is correction factor, and the formula of Cf that is sigma m cube minus m upon 12. M is number of times observations are been repeated. Now, how to give the ranks? Students, the highest observations will be given first rank. That means suppose if the value of x that is 25, 39, 40, 41 and 27. Suppose these values are there, the ranks will be given Rx, the rank will be highest observation will be given first rank. That means 40 is the highest, 41 is the highest observation. That's why it will be given rank first. The second highest observation that is 40. That's why second number ranks 2, that is given to 40 number. Then 39, that will be rank 3. 27, it will be given rank 4. And 25, that will be given rank 5. I hope you can understood properly. Now, what if the observations are being repeated? Suppose the values of x which is given, that is 25, 39, 25, 40, 41. Okay. Now, the same way, the observations are there, highest observations will be given first rank. Therefore, 41, that will be given rank 1. This is your Rx. 41, that will be given rank 1. 40 is the second highest number. That's why second rank will be given to this one. 39 is your third highest observation. That's why it will be given third rank. Now, for fourth rank, we are having two observations, that is 25 and 25. So, fourth rank will be given to 25. At the same time, fourth rank will be given to 25. So, how it comes and what kind of ranks will be given to these two same common similar numbers? So, find out the average value of these two, average ranks of these two values. So, the fourth rank will be given to this observation and fifth rank will be given to this observation. Find out the average rank of these two elements, that means fourth rank plus fifth rank divided by 2. If two observations are repeated, divide by 2. If 3 times the observation has been repeated, then divide by 3. This comes to 9 divided by 2. That's why the rank will be given 4.5. That's why the rank will be given to this value 4.5 and 4.5 to the same. If next time, if 25th observation has been repeated third time, then it will be 4th rank, 5th rank and 6th rank. Find out the average rank. It would be 4th plus 5th rank plus 6 divided by 3. That's why it would be 15 divided by 3. that means the rank which will be given, that is 5. So the rank will be given, that is 5, 5 and 5. Is that clear? Very good. Now let us understand with the example. You have to find out rank correlation coefficient. X and Y values are given. The columns which we have to prepare, that is Rx, rank of X, rank of Y, D, that is difference, Rx minus Ry, and D square. Highest observation will be given first rank. That's why the rank of X will be given here. That means it is Rx. 57 is the highest value. That's why it is given first rank. 45 is the second value. That's why it is given second rank. 18 is the third highest value. That's why it is given third rank. 14 will be given 4 and 8 will be given 5. Same way for the Y, values of Y, 20 is the highest value. That's why 20 will be given first rank. 15, that will be given second rank. 13 will be given third rank. Okay. Then 10 will be given fourth rank and 5 will be given fifth rank. Find out the difference of these ranks, that is Rx minus Ry. 1 minus 3. It would be minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. Find out the square of this differences. The value will be considered as a sigma d square. This sigma d square is going to be applied to your formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. That means sigma d square, that is 6. N is number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, that's why the answer would be 5. 25 minus 1, n square minus 1. 1 minus 0.3 and the R will be, correlation coefficient would be 0.7. In this question, we have found that not a single observation is repeated. Now in the second question, we are having